Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn your image into one line drawing art in Canva. All you have to do now, you can open Canva PC version or desktop version that you can get it for free from official website. So here we go. In order to start, you have to click the apps, then click design essentials. Now you can scroll down. Then you have to find the one liner. Turn your images into a simple one-line drawing. So you can convert your images into an abstract one-line drawing. So you can click use in your design for practice. Let's try Instagram post aspect ratio. So here we go. Please select an image from the design, or you can drag one of your image from your directory here. So you can choose light or dark. Here we go. So this is the different, and this is the stroke. So you can choose the color of the stroke. And also the fill. So be careful, it's a bit laggy. And this is the threshold. So the less, the more complex. And line width. So the more line, the more compact, or the more bold, looks bold here. And this is for the skip. So after that, if you feel this is done, finished, you can save drawing. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the thanks button below. See you in the next video.